Hey everyone, welcome back to Screen Innovations. Today we are going to go over how to cut down a nano shade. This video will be going over how to properly disassemble a nano, either a 275 or a 375. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we will need to go over how to open the shade.
That came with the nano box and untighten the end caps. This will allow you to easily remove the fascia. Make sure to do this on both the left and right end caps. Place the shade on its back and then pop off the fascia. Make sure that the shade is completely rolled
This will show you how to remove the roll from the cassette.
up and then grab those needle nose pliers. You'll use them to remove the locking pin on the idler side of the shade. Since this is our lithium-ion nano box, we also need to remove the set screws around the magnetic charger. Use that same Allen wrench to poke the charger through to ensure it's completely loose. Next, pull the shade towards the idler side, which will release the shade from the cassette. From this point, we'll take the motor straight out. Make sure to hold the fabric with one of your hands as you do this to prevent anything from rolling away.
This will be going over how to remove the weight bar.
Remove the adhesive surrounding the weight bar by gently wiggling the Allen wrench around it. Once you've done this on both sides, use the same Allen wrench to push the weight bar through, making it easy to remove.
Now we will need to roll the fabric up and remove it off the tube.
Pull up the material until you see the metal extrusion exposed at the top. Begin by gently removing the fabric from the adhesive. Do this little by little until everything has been removed from the tube.
This will show how to remove all the individual parts off the cassette.
One of the end caps, since the cut down is only happening on one side. As a best practice, we recommend removing the idler side end cap. Rotate the cassette on its back and use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screw. Then take your screwdriver and place it into the slot here and use your mallet to tap the screwdriver until the end cap comes off. There's one more thing to remove. On the inside of the fascia, you will see this component, which is removed using an Allen wrench. Take a screwdriver, place it behind this component, and use the mallet to tap it out.
This is important so you know exactly how much to cut down.
Now we're ready to start measuring for the cut down. Since we're cutting the shade down by 1 inch, we need to measure and mark each component. Beginning with the cassette, measure 1 inch from the side and then mark the lower edge with a pencil. We will do the same process at the top. Measure 1 inch from the side, mark the upper edge with a pencil. Then take the blue tape and place it evenly across. This way, the blade will hit perfectly during the cut down. Then you'll repeat this process for the rest of the components. Here's the back of the cassette. Measure 1 inch from the side, mark the top and bottom, then place the blue tape evenly across. The tube is a little bit trickier since it's curved, but the process is the same. Mark 1 inch, rotate the tube a little bit, and then mark the 2nd inch, and then place the blue tape. Next, we have the weight bar. Using the needle nose pliers, remove the end cap from the side of the weight bar. Then, mark 1 inch on the top and bottom and add the blue tape. Now that we've marked,
This will go over how to properly cut the fabric without messing it up.
let's cut down the fabric, which will require 2 people to accomplish easily. Unroll some of the fabric and place the portion that will be cut down onto a surface that's safe for cutting. Using the carpenter square, measure 1 inch from the side of the fabric and slowly work your way down the roll, making corrections as you go. Take your time during this process because you want to make sure that everything is absolutely perfect as you make your way down. Then, making sure that the fabric is held down and secure, slowly drag the utility knife along the edge of the carpenter square, ensuring a clean cut. Near the end, feel free to cut off any excess fabric, and then you'll repeat this process for the entirety of the fabric. As you can see, this will require some time and patience, but this is a critical portion of the process to ensure that the end result will be perfect. Now that we've cut down all of the components, it's time.
For more information, check out our new AI Help Center. It has articles and videos over everything. Thank you for watching.